Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexus Anal Starter Kit. So let's get started. So this is the Nexus Anal Starter Kit itself. So there are 3 sizes included in this set and it's perfect for beginners and advanced users alike. There are 3 sizes ranging in from small to medium and large. Now, these are designed for a user to start small and work their way up. Each is made from a silky smooth silicone material for optimal comfort during use, and they're anatomically shaped to fit comfortably for ultimate pleasure. The smallest is a great introduction or warm-up to anal play, whereas a medium and a large push you to further heights and can also be used for male prostate stimulation. They feature wide, flat bases and they are firm yet flexible. And of course, have a curved head just here, providing wonderful stimulation. These plugs have just the right amount of flexibility so you can be stimulated and comfortable at the same time. Now, when using these plugs, we would highly recommend to use a water-based lubricant. Alternatively, you can also use an anal-based lubricant, which is slightly thicker and better for anal play. Make sure to clean them after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Nexus Anal Starter Set. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.